Here we go. And I'm out. Oh my god. Wow. This is Winter Storm Juno. Here's our neighbor snow blowing. Shoveling a little too. Whew. Jesus. I'm literally taking huge steps in. I'm actually kind of walking on top of it, really. So then here's the edge of the sidewalk. No one's out right now. No one is out. Just plows and stuff. Just plows and stuff. I probably shouldn't even be on the road. Really. I probably shouldn't be on the road. I just shouldn't be on the road because of the plows. I just want to get a better view of the like what's going to see that guy shoveling over there in the distance. It's really still coming down. I just want to get a better view of like downtown, what the heck's going on. It is pretty cold too. This road isn't even plowed really. It's like they've been plowing all night. They've been plowing all stinking night. You know what? I probably should have gone another way. Oh my god, the plows are just, you know what? Yeah, I'm going a different way. I'm going like the back alleyway just so I don't get hit by a plow. Can you guys see the snow on my face? It's like, it's crazy. It's a crazy amount of snow. I gotta kind of walk backwards at some point just because, so people are out using the snow blower. Like right now is when I kind of wish I was walking backwards because the snow is just hitting my face. Oh, I got someone walking their dogs. Morning. Great day for a walk, huh?
The dogs love it.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, the dogs love it. Oh, dogs are so much more badass than us. We just stay inside. Well, the lamos anyways, they just stay inside. And like, I don't even know. Hide under their covers. But anyone like cool or with the littlest sense of adventure is gonna be out right now. And that's why I've actually seen quite a few people already on my walk. Just people that want to get out and see what the heck it is. What the heck this Storm Juno is all about. Whoa, slipping and sliding. Whoa! But yeah, like my friend last night, he had to work. He's a chef. He had to serve Stonehill College some food because they need to eat too. And he was like, yeah dude, I get to go out because I'm considered essential. That would have been cool driving last night. I mean, yeah, that would have been really cool. So this road, this is good. This road looks like it's been plowed and it leads right downtown. Oh my god, I'm getting covered in snow. This road leads right downtown. And be able to get a good look at what's going on down there. I already think I see some people up front. It's really hard because I keep getting nailed with snow. I'll be able to see, yeah, dogs are a good excuse to be walking out. I guess you don't really need an excuse to walk. Like, you are kind of in the way of plows, but it's okay. Hi. stuffed. I don't know how a plow could actually get in here. This is kind of scary that this just happened in one night. You can see like marks where the plows have been. This would be a great place to build a snow fort. I'm actually panting because it's kind of, I'm a little out of breath because it's, first of all, I'm out of shape, and second of all, it's like kind of hard to walk in the snow for extended periods of time. And I think another part of it is that I'm just getting hit with snow. Snow ever. This was one night. There's none of this here yesterday. This one night, these ginormous piles of ice. Now we're coming out right downtown, eastern Massachusetts. Let's see what it looks like. And then I'm gonna head back towards where my house and see how Gordon's doing. See if he needs some help with his house. Here's a great, we're coming up on it. It's the final parking lot before we hit downtown. And honestly, I thought this was going to be a lot worse. Like, there's a ton of snow everywhere, but it looks like they have places to just keep packing it on. Like, it's not there's not too much snow that you can't put it anywhere yet. So we're expecting another foot today, hopefully. So here we are, downtown strip. Oh man, this is probably the most plowed road tonight, and it's just looking crazy. All we're gonna see is probably plows going by. I'd get out there and walk on the street, but I really don't want to get in the way of the public workers. We got Auntie Zaza's nice yarn shop if you're ever in East, come check it out. Bill's House of Pizza. Ain't no one getting pizza today. Doing anything downtown anyway. Let's just go up on this pile of snow here. You see that? There's a fire hydrant. Another plow coming up in the distance. Yeah, see? So I just checked in with Gordon. He's all right. The dude's like, he's like 80 years old. And he goes out for a walk every day with his dog Max. He's a big boy, good boy Max. Anyways, he seemed like for the most part he didn't want any help shoveling. He said he's gonna do it in little bits and pieces. But I'm gonna swing by tomorrow. He said he's probably not gonna do too much today. Anyways, just wait till it's over. I'll swing by tomorrow, see if I can't give him a hand. I don't want that guy to sprain his back or anything. Golly. Anyways, I'm on my way back now. Back to the home base. See if I can't go out and get some hot chocolate, but I don't think anything's open. Hot chocolate would be nice, but I don't think anything's open. I'm probably gonna have to go back out in a little bit to help do my own driveway. Shouldn't be too hard though. Like, it's so great we have the snowblower these days. Can you imagine? What do you think that they would have done, 200 years ago, when you just didn't know that this was coming? We knew about this probably a few days, at least 3 days in advance. But back in the day, they had no idea. So, what do you think some of the things? Leave a comment down below. What are some things that people could have done 200 years ago to make it through a storm of this capacity. Until next time, I'm John, your local storm watcher and storm hiker. Bye.